Do you have any question? Thank you for attending in my class, and I think you are clear about my lecture. If you have a question, please say. Hassan Mohammed, Joanna Khatun, do you have any question?
Firstly, we have to practice. Then there might arise some question.
Okay, you can try first. If you face any problem, then you can say I will try to help. Okay.
Okay.
Joanna Khatun, do you have any question?
Sir, is it only used for inside citation, and that means the discussion part or literature, everything I can use it, right?
Everywhere you can use everywhere. If you I want to show in my paper, okay, already published. If I show my paper, so you can see. Even you can use in a thesis, okay, thesis paper. Everywhere, how many document, it doesn't matter. Just you just put and then just synchronize and then cite. Okay, that's it. 100, 1000, it doesn't matter. Okay, do you understand?
আর মানে
Say
এটা
one,
মানে এই অ্যাপসটা যখন জি স্যার
say one paper I want to share. Say in this paper, okay. And you can also use Zotero. Zotero is almost same. Zotero or EndNote, you can use cracked version, but it is difficult. So it's better to use Mendel is far better. So this is my manuscript I already published. You can see that. In introduction, I used the tools, introduction, literature review, okay, computational methodology, or everywhere I use this reference, okay. And finally, you can see here. And finally, the bibliography is in last. Here is the bibliography. So which journal you want to select, which journal you want to submit, up using that journal, you can arrange your reference, okay. The journal I use the Royal Society of Chemistry, and in my word version I saw you. I have shown that in my word version, last document 1, this is the IEEE version, and you can use many citation style. Change your citation style. You can use Springer, okay, Springer, like Springer Basic, update citation style. This is Springer style, okay. So there are many style you can use, okay. Springer is. So just click and change your citation style.